What's up, guys? Welcome back to New World Fishing. If you're old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with notification. Also share my video to your Instagram, to your Facebook, to your TikTok, to your Twitter, also to your friends and family. Today I'm out here at Forebay. It's March 7. Me and my buddy, he's right there, so stay tuned. Alright guys, got to Forebay. Right now 60 degree, 8 mile wind, 16 mile moderate. So fish on, guys. It's not that big, but good. It's good fight. Oh, they here. They here, guys.
A little lower.
Yeah, my buddy, he's right there. Yeah. All right. No skunk. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Second fish, guy. Second one. Not bad. Second fish. Let's go. Thanks for the fight. Alright. Walk to somewhere else. Caught two right here. So they always on the move, guy. If you don't see bait fish, cast at least 5 casts in one spot. Start moving. Let's talk about the setup that I use. I use a Daiwa BG 4000 3500 reel, because I took out the spider wire, so I put on a new line. It's a Berkley Trilene big game boy, mono, and using my Daiwa Crossfire, and the lure is Reaction Innovation Skinny Dipper. Last time me and my buddy here is like 4 months ago. So for those of you busy at work and you want to know when a striper are biting, well, if you're watching my video, you know where I'm fishing. So what time I'm fishing, what kind of lure, rod, line that I'm using, and you gotta watch my video, so you gotta know where I'm fishing, so you guys can go catch fish. And also go check your favorite spot, that your secret spot that you have. Sometimes you know, the fish is already there. If they are not there yet, then give them like 1 week and check to see if the fish are there. Right now the water is still cold a little bit, but they're still biting.